full of stars, static in the tree line, humming like guitars. Pages on the table, names I tried on. Every new letter felt like a loaded gun drawn. Reason took a backseat, buckled in slow. Dreams drove the car where the road wouldn't go. Voices in the crosswind calling my name. Didn't know the rules, only felt the flame. Half of me was praying, half about to break. Then something reached across the dark and gave my hand a shake. Divine handshake, thunder in my veins, not a soft little blessing, more like pulling on the chains. Divine handshake, standing in the wake of a mind that saw too much and had to step on the brake. If the heavens wanna talk, let them speak in loud and ache, but I'm walking out alive from the divine handshake. Deep in the ache, something grabbed me by the wrist and gave my hand a shake. Divine handshake, lightning at the gate, not a ticket out of pain, just a sharper kind of weight. Divine handshake, tremor in the lake, where the face in the reflection isn't sure what's fake. If the vision doesn't ground me, then it's one I will not take. I've got questions as my armor in the divine. If I come back lost, morning at the lakes, coffee going cold, notebook full of fragments I could barely hold. Reason rubbing sleep from its eyes again, whispered you survived, now turn this into pen. So I filed the terror, I filed the grace, gave the storm a title and a proper place. Not a badge, not a crown I wear on my face, just a warning.